Let us now understand various roles in Scrum. There are only 3 roles in Scrum: Product Owner or Customer, then Scrum Master and Team Member. Let us understand Product Owner role. Product Owner is responsible for representing interests of all project stakeholders. Basically represents customer. Product Owner is project sponsor, responsible for initial and ongoing funding. Responsible for creating first list of requirements called product backlog. Product Owner prioritizes requirements to ensure that valuable requirements are built and delivered first. Product Owner participates in planning as well as in key decision-making process such as estimation, deliverables, etc. Key thing to notice here is that even if Product Owner is customer representative, he or she is fully responsible for key decisions of team. In fact, he or she is part of the team only. Next is Scrum Master role. This role is a leadership role. Acts as a facilitator than as a manager. Scrum Master is responsible for the Scrum process. He or she is responsible for training and development of everyone in Scrum. Needs to ensure that the team is trained in Scrum processes and also ensure that team gets necessary technical as well as non-technical training. Scrum Master is also responsible for implementation of Scrum in accordance of the organizational culture. This is very important responsibility. Scrum is a major cultural change and it takes time to adopt it successfully. During initial stages of Scrum implementation, one needs to adopt Scrum to the overall culture of the organization, and here Scrum Master plays a very vital role. For example, project status reporting. Project status reporting in Scrum could be different than the typical status reports required in an organization. Here, Scrum Master does the balancing act to ensure that project status reporting is done as required and also Scrum principles are followed. Scrum Master acts as facilitator and not manager of the team. Scrum Master is not supposed to assign tasks to the team or track or manage individuals in a team, but act as a facilitator so the team can manage themselves. Scrum Master protects teams from outside forces, such as consultants, pushy product owners who are not following Scrum principles. This is very interesting. Sometimes, due to the core nature of the agile projects, some people feel that one can perform changes as they like. Here, Scrum Master needs to ensure that changes are accepted but with proper Scrum process followed. So basically, Scrum Master provides right environment for the team to engineer the product. Next role is Scrum Team. This applies to all engineering team members. Scrum Team is responsible for building the functionality. Team is self-managing, self-organizing, and cross-functional. Team member performs multiple functions such as design, coding, and testing, etc. Team manages themselves. They don't have any manager. They commit deliverables and schedule and then adhere to it. They have excellent communication amongst themselves and can come together quickly to address any challenge which they may come across. All team members are experts, but at the same time, they are not cowboy or singleton players. They believe in team processes and team performances than individual performance. These people actually build requirements into a shippable functionality in an iterative manner. Team is collectively responsible for success of iterations and overall project. Key thing to note here is that teams are small and self-managing or self-organizing. This is main difference between traditional project management and Scrum project management.